Most discussions jump directly from the individual to the universe, from me to everything. Something crucial gets skipped, and that missing layer is Hiranyagarbha. Then why this concept is really explained? Hiranyagarbha is not popular because it doesn't fit shortcuts. It is subtle, it requires patience, and it refuses simplification. But without it, both astrology and Vedanta feel incomplete. We have already seen the individual, the experiencer, Ishvara, the order governing experience, Brahman, pure reality beyond function. Hiranyagarbha sits quietly between these, not as a separate reality, but as a cosmic interface. What Hiranyagarbha actually means, let's understand that. Hiranyagarbha literally means the golden womb, not a place, not a deity, but a cosmic mind. The total intelligence through which experience becomes possible. That is Hiranyagarbha. Before there is my mind, there is mind. Before there is my thought, there is thinking capacity. Hiranyagarbha is that totality. Now the question comes that why this matters for astrology. Astrology does not operate directly on Brahman. It also does not operate only on individual minds. It operates on patterns that are shared, structured, and intelligible. Those patterns exist in Hiranyagarbha. This is why symbols work. This is why timing works. This is why meaning exists. When you read a chart, you are not reading planets. You are reading cosmic psychology. The universal mind expressing itself through individual conditions. That universal mind is Hiranyagarbha. So why ignoring this creates confusion? Without Hiranyagarbha, astrology becomes mechanical or purely mythological. Planets turn into objects instead of intelligences. Predictions lose depth, symbols lose soul. Everything becomes calculation without insight. Please note that Hiranyagarbha is not imagination. This is important to understand. Very important to understand. Hiranyagarbha is not metaphorical poetry. It is how Vedanta explains shared experience. Why do humans' minds respond similarly to symbols? Why do prototypes repeat? Why does time carry quality? Because mind is not isolated, it is participatory. Individual minds are waves. Hiranyagarbha is the ocean of mind. Astrology studies wave patterns. Vedanta points to the ocean. Both remain incomplete without acknowledging this middle layer. And this middle layer is Hiranyagarbha. And how this reframes planets and nakshatras? Planets are not just physical bodies. They are functional intelligences within the cosmic mind. Nakshatras are not divisions of space. They are modes of experience within Hiranyagarbha. This is why astrology is symbolic, not merely astronomical. So why this is an authority builder? This we need to understand. Most astrology stops at technique. This goes deeper. It explains why astrology works, not just how it works. When you understand Hiranyagarbha, astrology stops feeling mystical and starts feeling intelligent. Brahman is reality itself. Ishvara is order. Hiranyagarbha is intelligence. The individual is experience. No conflict, no hierarchy problem, just different functional standpoints. The book doesn't glorify Hiranyagarbha. It uses it. It uses it to explain why symbols work, why timing has quality, why astrology remains meaningful without contradicting non-duality. This video is only the doorway. When this missing link is seen, the cosmos stops feeling distant and consciousness stops feeling isolated. They meet not in belief but in understanding. In the next video, we will ask a sharp question. If everything is one intelligence, why do planets have different effects? That's where astrology truly begins to make sense.